Hello everyone. In this video, I before starting the Eigenvector, I want to tell you something more related to the uh, eigenvalues. Okay, so eigenvalues are also known as the roots of the matrix, characteristic roots of the matrix. Okay, so uh, here I take a question. So there is a matrix here. Okay, there is a matrix A. Matrix is 1, 2, minus 3, 0, 3, 2, 0, 0, minus 2. Okay, this is a matrix A. So I need to find the eigenvalue of 3a square plus 5a 3a cube. It is 3a cube 3a cube 5a square minus 6a plus 2i. Okay, now see here how I solve it. So after this question, I cover Eigenvector. So Eigenvector is the last topic of the matrix. Okay. So now see here. Solution for this. I can write it like a minus lambda I. Okay, it is in the mode or it is equal to 0. So I can write here 1 minus lambda, 2 minus 3, and 3 minus lambda minus 2 minus lambda, it is 2, means only diagonals, this diagonal is changed. Okay, and all the things is same. Okay, so see here, so it is equal to 0. So from here I can find this value. So 1 minus lambda. Okay, and 3 minus lambda and minus 2 minus lambda. Okay, so it is equal to 0. So from here I can directly find that lambda is equal to minus 1. It is 1 and it is 3 and it is minus 2. Okay, so these three values are coming from this. So now the main thing is that where most of the students are do mistake, and now see here the eigenvalue of eigenvalue of a cube, it is equal to, now I can directly do the cube of these numbers. So 1, okay, 27 and minus 8. Now eigenvalue of a square, it is 1, and actually I am doing this according to this. Okay, so because I need to find the a cube, a square, a and I, so according to this I am doing these things. Okay, so a square 1 and it is 9 and it is a 4. Okay, after that the eigenvalue, sorry for this, eigenvalue of a, it is same 1, 3 minus 2. Okay, and the eigenvalue of I, value of I is equal to 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so now see here, I need to find the eigenvalue of the question is I need to find the eigenvalues of this thing, this equation. Okay, So for this, now see here, the equation is our equation is 3a q plus 5a square and minus 6a and plus 2i. Okay, this is the equation. So I need to find the eigenvalues, okay, of this equation. So first eigenvalue of now see here, first eigenvalue, it is equal to, so now see here, when the students do mistake, so now I take 3, okay, this 3 bracket, now I take 1, okay, 1 for aq, okay, after that plus, now 5, now a square, so from here 1, okay, now minus 6 a 1, okay, plus 2, what is I value, it is 1. So for first eigenvalue I take first eigenvalue from all of these, okay. So now I calculated 3 plus 5 minus 6 plus 2, it is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, okay. So first eigenvalue is 4. Now second eigenvalue, same, first is 3, now aq, for aq second eigenvalue is 27, so here 27, okay, and after that plus 5, okay, from here, now the second value of a square is 9, so I take 9 and minus 6, and second value of a is 3, okay, plus 2 and 1. So now I need to calculate this value. So I need to calculate, okay. So 3 into it is 27, it is equal to 81, it is 45, it is 81, and it is 27, sorry for this, it is 18 minus 18, and it is plus 2. So the final answer come from this is 81 plus 45 plus 2 and minus 18, this is equal to 110, okay. So 110 is the second eigenvalue, okay. Now I need to find this in third eigenvalue, okay. For third eigenvalue, first I need to take 3, so for 3 the third eigenvalue for aq is minus 8, so minus 8 plus 5, so what is the third eigenvalue of aq, a square is 4, take 4 minus 6, a is minus 2, 4 and plus 2 into 1, okay. So from here it is minus 24 plus 20 plus 12 and plus 2. Okay, so it is 24 and 30 34, so it is 10. Okay, so 10 is the third eigenvalue. So now I can write the required eigenvalue for it is 3aq plus 5a square minus 6a plus 2i is not is r, because there are three eigenvalues. Okay, r for 110 and 10. Okay, so this is the our final answer. So in next video I tell you about the Eigenvector. Okay, so please focus on the GATE exam and revise all the questions. Okay, so thank you.